Have you ever wondered how the greenhouse effect impacts our planet? What if there was something that could reverse its effect, an anti-greenhouse effect, if you will? Well, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's unravel this together. The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon that's essential for life on Earth. It works like a thermal blanket enveloping the planet. When sunlight reaches Earth, some of it gets absorbed by the surface, warming it up. The Earth then radiates this heat back out into space. However, certain gases in the atmosphere, known as greenhouse gases, capture some of this heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. This helps keep our planet at a cozy average temperature of around 15 degrees Celsius, perfect for life as we know it. But what happens when the balance is tipped? When the concentration of these greenhouse gases increases, they trap more heat, leading to global warming. The consequences? Rising sea levels, extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, and more. This is the greenhouse effect gone awry. Now let's flip the script. Imagine an anti-greenhouse effect, something that could counteract the warming. While the term isn't commonly used in environmental science, it's a concept that's gaining traction. The idea behind the anti-greenhouse effect is to reduce the amount of heat trapped by the atmosphere. This could be achieved in a number of ways, such as carbon capture and storage, afforestation, or even by increasing the Earth's albedo, its reflectivity. Carbon capture involves the process of trapping carbon dioxide at its emission source, transporting it and storing it so it doesn't reach the atmosphere. Afforestation, on the other hand, involves planting trees on a large scale, as trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Increasing the Earth's albedo could be achieved by developing reflective surfaces on the planet. The more reflective the surface, the more sunlight it bounces back into space, reducing the amount of heat absorbed by the Earth. In summary, the greenhouse effect is a natural process that helps maintain Earth's temperature. However, when it's tipped out of balance, it leads to global warming. The concept of an anti-greenhouse effect, though not a formal term, represents strategies to counteract this warming. These may include carbon capture and storage, afforestation, and increasing Earth's albedo. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that while these strategies are promising, they are not a silver bullet solution. The best way to combat global warming is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So as we continue to innovate and develop ways to mitigate the effects of global warming, let's not forget the importance of sustainable living and conscious consumption. After all, it's not just about saving our planet, it's about securing a future for generations to come.